How to buy gold online. If you are looking for a platform to buy gold online, this is your lucky day. Keeping a pulse on the industry has led me to many discoveries, both for short and long-term investors. Today I'll show you how to buy gold online, at any level of investment you want, even $20, from the comfort of your own internet connection. This platform is the best one I've found to help you buy and sell precious metals online. Purchase gold and silver bars and coins. Roll over funds from an existing retirement account into a precious metals-backed IRA. If you have wondered where to buy gold online, you now have a fully vetted solution. This is the most transparent pricing and elaborate controls I've seen, and I've analyzed hundreds of precious metals companies. You can set up your new account 100% free, and you can fund it at any time. Other features of this online gold investing platform. No minimums on purchases. This is unheard of. No other company offers this. Open an account and buy gold online instantly. If you fill out the form below, you will be able to purchase gold and silver online in this secure platform. Again, this is the best way to buy gold online that I've come across in 11 years of covering the precious metals investing space. This is the secure form for legacy precious metals. Review is here. Open an account and start investing today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me and I'll walk you through the process. A video overview of how buying gold online works is being created and will be added to this post shortly. In the interim, please feel free to start investing in gold with the above account. This wake-up call forced me to reevaluate everything. After going through the school of hard knocks, I'm ready to help you by sharing the best retirement choices and how they differ from all the same old options that financial advisors sell.